Hey guys, real quick video today. This is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. The heat box, the tsunami oven we call this thing, okay? This is what I use for drying some of my dipped objects after they come out of the rinse tank. If I need to spray them relatively pretty quick to make sure they're dry. When I'm curing my base coat for my tsunami chrome, I like using this box that fits inside of it. If I have to wait 24 hours for it, I can put it in this box, guaranteed 24 hours. I don't care what the humidity is, I'm done. Okay? I can even get away with a lot less time, but I'm not going to tell you that at this point right now. But I just know that it speeds up the cure process. What I did is I just put a drop light. Okay, there's the cord there. It's way over there, of course. Just a regular plastic drop light, 75 watt bulb, okay? When I need to use it, I flip the switch and put it on. Let me reach in here. I've also got a jig set up in here, one of the many jigs I've got, but I can hold things on top of here when I'm setting it in so it doesn't touch the sides or the bottom if it's got a clear coat on it or whatever. And then what I did was I took one of my old mixing pallets, okay, and I set this on top of it in here because this metal will get awfully hot and you don't want it to burn the styrofoam that you're going to use to make this with, okay? Let me give you the dimensions, okay? One sheet of 1 inch is all you need. It's 10 bucks or whatever. And it's got the aluminum on the inside of it, okay? If you don't have the aluminum, say you're in an area where you can't get this product, you probably can find some of this. This is your aluminum tape. They use it in the HVAC business itself for ductwork and things. I use this for the corners to shear them up, give me extra support. And all I did was cut me, 6 pieces out of a 4x8 sheet. So your sizes for your top and your bottom are going to be 20 by 48. Okay? Then all your 4 sides are going to sit on top of that. These are going to be 18 by 48. The 2 ends are going to be 18 by 48, and these are going to be 18 by 18s. These 18 by 18s sit inside, okay? Simple enough to figure. You got 20 inches here, so you got an inch, 18. All right? Then the top of it, I ran some 3/4 or 1 inch weather stripping around it, okay? It's got the sticky back, so you just peel it off and stick it on there. When this sits on top of it, kind of doesn't sit as flat as you want it to, so I kind of weight it down on the top. I can increase the heat by maybe 3 or 4 degrees doing that, okay? It just keeps everything nice and tight. Glue guns. I don't work for DeWalt. I don't spoof their stuff, but right now, from what I can understand, I've used glue guns pretty much the last 20 years. And I know very hot glue guns. The Hot Melt one by 3M is an incredibly good glue gun. Too hot for gluing one of these together, okay? It will melt through everything you lay the glue on. This DeWalt for $23 at Home Depot has been the best glue gun I have bought over the years. And I'm talking about the $15, $16 ones. For spend a little bit extra, I think in 40 seconds you can get hot glue to come out of this thing from plugging it into the wall. I'm sold on this one here, okay? It's a rapid heat ceramic one. I swear I got it at DeWalt or Home Depot or Lowe's, one of the 2 big box stores, and I'm sold on them. I'll probably just buy those continuously. They work really well. The parts don't break down on them. The mount's still there, and I beat them up pretty good. Anyway, so let's say we've got things going in here. Here's one thing that this box will do to you, it does for me too. Let's say I've got a bunch of projects jigged up. Sometimes that hot glue will grab really well, okay? Meaning you're actually going to twist the clear coat enough to where you actually distort it, to where you can crack it. I mean, this stuff's drying as fresh. I put all my products, if they fit, inside this here and let them sit for a couple hours, okay? What that does is it softens up the glue for you, all right? They just pop off or you just yank them off. They come off real easy for you. You save yourself a lot of stress, okay? Put them back in the box after you're done clear coating them, cutting and buffing. Drop them back in there, let them sit for a while, and just pop off all your jigs, okay? It's just a lot simpler and a lot less stress thinking you're going to break something. Anyway, that's just a little helpful hint there. I always like to bring up people that I've had good business relationships with. This shirt here is from Sean and Danetta from Big Brain Graphics. Great people to work with. Anyway, need some film, some paint, some products, give them a call. I've never had a problem with them, not one time. I don't buy a lot from them, but when I do buy, it's always here. So I recommend using them. Okay guys, so if you've got 10 bucks and you want to get a little oven put together and got a hot glue gun, you don't need much for this one, okay? Takes you about 20 minutes to build. I keep it underneath my table here so it's out of the way. I don't have a lot of space here, and I use it often, okay? It saves me a lot of time. The 117 to 20 degrees I'll get out of this doesn't hurt any of the plastic products, definitely won't hurt the metal products, but it's safe enough for that. If you increase the bulb size to 100, you might get it up a little bit hotter than you want it, okay? So be careful with it. But do some testing on it, find out what your light bulb's doing, put a little probe down there, meat thermometer or whatever, and find out what your temperature you're getting out of yours, and then adjust the bulb size accordingly. I like about 120 degrees. This is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. We're changing up the website, we're changing all kinds of things over here. It's going to be THC coatings for a while here, but we're probably going to switch that out to something else in the future. If you have any questions, you can always call me. Number's on the website, and I'll be glad to help you. Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics, we're out.